Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're decoding the partnership firm structure to see how it drives real success.
Take Neha. She just made a sweet 2,500 rupee profit selling hand-painted pottery right from her home. As a sole proprietor, she keeps every penny. But scaling nationwide, she desperately needs more capital for that.
Her dad suggests teaming up with her cousin. A partnership could boost funding and share those big risks.
So, what exactly is a partnership firm in the eyes of the law? Let's break it down together.
The entire legal foundation for this setup is actually governed by the Indian Partnership Act of 1932.
You need an absolute minimum of 2 partners. Interestingly, there's no upper limit under this specific act.
The secret sauce here is mutual agency. Basically, every partner acts as both an agent and a principal.
Here's a quirk. Minors can't be full partners, but they can legally enjoy the firm's benefits. Pretty cool.
Now get this. Formally registering your partnership firm, it's not actually legally mandatory. Crazy, right?
But beware, without registration, your firm totally lacks the legal status needed to enforce contracts in court.
Registering unlocks massive perks, like serious bank credibility and the ability to bid on lucrative government tenders.
Want to secure those advantages? Let's walk through an actionable 5-step registration roadmap to get you there.
It's super straightforward. You draft, execute, apply, pay the fees, and finally snag that official legal certificate.
Step 1 is drafting the deed. This strictly defines who puts in what and sets those profit-sharing ratios. Next up, this deed has to be printed on non-judicial stamp paper and officially notarized by professionals.
Step 3 means submitting Form 1 to the state registrar, along with partner PAN cards and an affidavit.
Fun fact for you, states like West Bengal and Odisha actually offer slick online portals for this.
After paying a nominal fee in Step 4, the registrar officially records your firm in Step 5. Boom.
Once registered, immediately grab a firm PAN, set up GST registration, and open a current bank account. As Neha's business scales, this partnership lays the absolute perfect groundwork to eventually convert into a full company.
Which leaves us with one huge question. Is your chosen legal structure truly securing your long-term success?